Now to the latest from the town of Gates, where that house exploded on Knoll Drive Wednesday night. The family that owned that house for 10 years up until the night of the explosion says they are still in shock tonight. They're sharing their story. They did so with Kayla Green, who reports.
Just a happy, loving place.
Therese Kayaza says her late aunt and uncle owned the house at 51 Knoll Drive in Gates.
It was our family's gathering place. We had our big family, extended dining room table was right by the door. So, when everybody would arrive for the holidays, we'd all be sitting around.
After Kayaza's aunt and uncle died, their son continued living in the house. He just moved out December 1st, and the family started discussing what would happen with the ownership of the house. Then, Wednesday night's tragedy.
Full-blown explosion, just complete devastation. My uncle passed in 2019, and my aunt just passed this year, and so it kind of felt like some of the last remnants of them were literally just like wiped off the face of the earth.
While the family is relieved no one was physically hurt, they're still hurting emotionally. The family is asking people to be sensitive to their pain.
This wasn't, a vacant, empty home. For the past 10 years, this has been a place where memories that myself and other members of my family will cherish for the rest of our lives.
In Gates, Kayla Green, News 8.
Kayla, thank you. The cause of the explosion still under investigation.